Gusto ko malaman kung ano yung sasabihin ni Lola. Pero hindi kaya siya yung curse bearer? Si Sato? Wah! Okay, let's start this. Time to meet up. Several hours later. Sorry to keep you waiting, Yuza. It's nearly time to meet up with Chuyu, yeah? Let's head that way. Right. Let's go to the bay. The whole island is an uproar after that. We didn't even get to ask Sato what happened. Yeah, apparently she shut herself up in her room at the Wakamuras and hasn't come down since. The hell was that though? How'd she even get hurt like that in the first place? Some of the islanders were kicking up real fuss saying that Sato isn't human, that she's something evil that should be chased off the island. But everyone settled down after Mr. Makamura stepped in and promised to handle it. Everyone on the island probably heard about it by now, though it'll be all anyone can talk about for a while yet. Did you go back home afterwards, Yuza? No, I stayed out to do some digging. Gran wasn't at home anyway. She hasn't recovered enough to be able to move around that much, though, so I'm pretty worried. Yeah, you think our promise to meet with her at the bay is still on? Let's go and see. Wow, so may action na nangyari last ano. Ayun na si Lola. Oh, good, she's here. Gran, is your leg okay? Gran, it's me. Oh, you two came after all. The waves were so loud I couldn't hear you for a second. What are you doing over there, Gran? This is where it's hidden. Hidden what is? What Mari, your mother left us. My mom? Yes, so Yuza, have you heard of an island called Taishima? Taishima? Lola! Huy! Huy! She's hurt bad. You have to stop the bleeding. Ah! Is that Chuyu? We could have... Si Kiko ko, bakit nandiyan ka? Too late. Gran, she has no pulse. The wound's too deep. It almost cut her clean in half. She never stood a chance. Hindi kaya yun din yung yung nag-cut kay Sato nung last? I'll go get someone. Stay here, Chuyu. Yuza? No, it's alright. I'll come with you. Ano ba yan? Sasabihin na nga dapat ni Lola eh. Ay! Ala! This is old lady Nakamura. What the hell's happening? I hear screams from down there too. Come on, let's go. Hala, si Chi! Si Chi! Someone help! Two more people collapse over there. What's happening? Help me, I don't want to die. Damn it, there are too many victims. We aren't going to have enough people to help at this rate. Huh? There are more over there too. Si ano? Si Kiko ko. What the hell is happening? Is that Kikuko? It got her too. So, someone tell me what's going on. What's with these gashes appearing out of nowhere? This isn't right. There's no way this is normal. It is. Is it a virus? Or was it really a curse? Bakit puro babae lang? Bakit puro babae lang yung nasa slash? Those affected by the phenomenon died instantly. Ala si Lola! The strange calamity that had suddenly descended on Kamishima plunged the island into a panic. Oh, with no knowledge of cause or reason, there was nothing that could be done to prevent it, and the massacre continued unabated for a time. Oh, the survivors were seized with fear. Some ran into escape, some simply broke down, some flew into a wild rage. Frenzied chaos swept over the island. Ala, hindi kaya sila oh my god, a short while later. At least we were able to meet with Chukasa. But what the hell is going on? The whole island is in uproar. Everyone's so panicked. We couldn't find anyone who could talk straight. Who could blame them? No one knows who'll be affected next. It's probably best to hide here until things settle down. You okay, Chukasa? No, I have no idea whether my ma's safe or not. And I wasn't able to find Aisato either. I'm so worried about her. Old man Wakamura said he'd handle things, so I hope she managed to make it back home at least. Hey, do you think Sato's wounds healing up like that has anything to do with what just happened? We've held off prying to Sato's past up to now, but maybe that won't fly anymore. Come to think of it, didn't this whole curse of the raging waves mess start when Sato came to Kamishima? Don't say that. This isn't Sato's fault. She's just a normal girl. It won't help anyone say anything bad about her, not even you, Azami. Ah, sorry, Chukasa. I didn't mean anything by it. I wasn't thinking straight. I mean, I never thought something like this was really possible either. Huh? Something like what? Do you have some idea what could have caused this? Ah, well, a little while ago, we when we were at old man Wakamura's place, some guy phoned and threatened to kill all the women on Kamishima with a curse. Oh my gosh. Another curse? Who was it? What did they want? I really don't know. He said something about no mercy, just punishment for anyone who defies him. It was really creepy. What the hell? All those people have to die just cause some guy didn't get what he wanted? Old man Wakamura said he'd do something to stop the raging waves curse, but things just got worse instead. Azami, calm down. It's no use getting mad at me. You're right. Sorry, Chukaza. I guess I got a bit heated. Even so, that means those gashes were deliberately caused by someone using a curse, right? So they were the one responsible for all of this. Right. Even if the massacre was caused by something supernatural, someone made it happen. About that, something's been bugging me about the whole thing. What do you mean? It didn't seem like the victims were being targeted at random somehow. They were all women for a start, so I was trying to think of some kind of common point that would tie them together. They were all ama divers? That's Archukasa, sharp as ever. So what were you thinking? Sabi na eh! Could they have been targeted because they were ama divers? Now that you mention it, weren't all the victims we saw on the way here were ama divers? Though I guess most of the women on Kamishima have at least some ama diving experience. But they went after Sato first, right? That wouldn't fit. Oh, you're right. Sato isn't an ama diver. I was pretty worried Yuza and I might be targeted as well, but I guess we can breathe a bit easier now. We still don't know what the conditions are, though none of us are out of the woods yet. Wait, the victims were only women. That could ah that could the killer have been using this to find their targets? But that would mean the culprit is what's up, Yuza? You figure something out? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yuza, your head! It's no! Hala! Don't look, Mori. Oh my gosh. Well done in your efforts thus far. I regret to say that it seems the mysterious attack that befell Kamishima has resulted in Yuza Minakuchi quite literally losing his head. Wah! Grabe yun ah! There's nothing more we can do here, so let us bring this chapter to a close. For now, we will return to the story chart where you may proceed with a different route. I wish you all the best of luck on your journey. Shucks, parang si ano lang yung first natin.